To create a scene in GoGuardian, you're going to click Scenes on your menu bar, click Add Scene. You can change the pattern so that your scenes all have a different pattern, so it just stands out if you want to. You're going to name your scene. You can enter in a description if you have specific scenes for specific classes. All scenes at BMS are going to be run in block mode. That means all websites are blocked except for the websites you allow. So our tech guys have already created a list of some websites that you can add. I would add all of these at this point. So students will be allowed to go to these websites. You can manage the tabs. You can have a tab that opens automatically in your class when a student starts in your class if you want to. Right now, I would set your maximum open tabs at 3. You can always go back and change it, but this will save having students having several tabs open. That kind of becomes a management issue. And then you're going to hit Save Scene. Once you've created a scene, you can go back into your classrooms and you can add a scene. You're going to click on Settings, and then your default scene can be one of the scenes that you created. So then that way, every time students enter your class, they're automatically put into your scene.